I'm gonna be showing you how to make some really good potting mix so that you can get the best gardening results. Hi there, I'm Mohammed from Epic Kitchen Gardening. Let's make some potting mix. So to make this, we're gonna be using some homemade compost, organic, some garden soil, and some coco peat for ventilation and aeration of the soil. Coco peat also helps in making the soil lighter. Let's get started. Take a handful of garden soil. Yeah, just make sure it's a bit so I believe this much soil should be enough for our potting mix. Next we add the organic home compost to it. It's slightly liquidy, which is intentional so that we get the best out of it. Okay, and now to this lovely mixture we will add some coco peat. And yeah guys, that's it. We have our potting mix. If you're enjoying yourself, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss our future uploads. Happy gardening!